Hello, all my dear students of CA Final Full English. I hope you all are doing good. I hope your studies are going on great for your upcoming exams. So today is 6th of May when I'm recording this video and I'm uploading this video. 6th of May is the date on which you are going to give your audit exam. And after the audit exam, immediately you're going to come and study your direct tax paper. Now, the biggest challenge in the direct tax paper is how to revise direct tax paper in 1.5 days. After the audit paper, that is on 6th of May, 7th of May, and on 8th of May, how you are going to revise the direct tax paper. So here I'm going to come up with a complete plan. I'm going to exactly tell you which question, which chapters to be done first, and I'm going to tell you a hourly plan. In every hour you are going to do which topic, and if you're not able to do that topic, you have to skip that topic and go ahead with the next topic. So this is a master plan for you all, which is going to help you all to a great extent. I will also attach the file of this master file below in the comment box. You can go and check the comment box below. That will be a pinned comment. Okay, now how you are going to revise direct tax in 1.5 days. On 6th of May, after the audit paper, your paper will get completed at 5 p.m. So immediately after 5 p.m., that is after an hour, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. you are going to revise PGBP. Then 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. you are going to revise various entities, profit link deductions, MAT, AMT. Okay, then 10:30 to 1 p.m. you are going to then you have dinner. You have your dinner. Okay, for half an hour. Then you complete your non-resident taxation, including Vodafone case law, DTAA, BFAR. Okay, then go to sleep. Okay, go to sleep. After that, next day, 7th May 2025 is going to be one of the most important day of your life. Why? Because on this day, you are going to study the direct tax maximum in your entire life. You would have not studied direct tax so much before this. You will not study direct tax in future also so much on one day. But this is the day on which you are going to study direct tax to a great extent. So which all topics you are going to study and in what order? That's what I'm trying to say over here. 6 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. You get up at 5:30 if possible. Get up at 5:30. You don't have much time to sleep between direct tax papers. Be very careful. You cannot have more than 4 to 5 hours sleep between direct tax paper. First you complete TDS, TCS, then capital gains, VDA, virtual digital asset, then transfer pricing, trust, exit tax, tax rate, alternative tax regime, equalization levy, and then tax audit. Now, I'm not going in the order of our book because the order of our book is a very logical order. I agree. But that order is not on the basis of important chapters. Okay. On the day of exam, you have to revise based on important chapters. Which chapters are more important, you are going to revise that first. And which chapters are less important, you are going to revise that later. So according to that, you are going to do that. Okay. So till 12:45, after that you are going to do tax audit. In tax audit, if you cannot see all the clauses of tax audit, at least see all the case studies of tax audit. Just see all the case studies of tax audit, all the ICI material case studies, all the past RTP case studies, MTP case studies, and past paper case studies. If you see this much also in tax audit, I think so that is much more than enough. Okay, then after that, do assessment, procedure, rectification, appeal, revision, penalty. Then this point number 8 and point number 9 is going to be very difficult task for you. In this, you have to complete your leftover topics. Now, I know that it is not possible to complete the leftover topics in the given number of hours. Between 4:30 to 6:30, it is not possible to complete all these topics. But then you have to put priority. At least do the topics which are circled, like black money law, securitization trust, investment fund, updated return, and business trust. At least do these topics. In this 1 hour also, it is not possible to cover so many topics. At least do GAR, SFT. If possible, do other topics also. I am not saying don't do, but at least do these two topics. But at 7:30, you have to stop revising your subject. After 7:30, you are going to do only few things that I'm going to say now. After 7:30, you're going to only see the video of past RTP, past MTP, past paper in this priority. First RTP, then past paper, then MTP in this priority. You follow this order. Watch the video at 1.25x. I have uploaded everything in full English for you all. The entire 9-hour video I have uploaded in Hindi also separately and in full English also separately for you all. Okay. Then go to sleep. I know that it will not be completed in 5.5 hours because between 7:30 to 1 p.m. you have 5.5 hours. In 5.5 hours, you cannot complete this. So continue next morning on the day of exam. Early morning 6 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. You try to continue the past RTP, MTP and complete that video. Okay. And then from 7:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. you try to watch. Don't forget to watch this also. This is also going to be extremely important. Try to watch the 35 MCQ case scenarios for which we have uploaded a 4-hour video. You can watch at 1.25x. You can complete that in 3.5 hours. Okay. But you have to watch this. Here you are going to cover more than 100 important concepts which will not only be useful in MCQs but which will also be useful in practical questions to clear your direct tax paper. Then from 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. you try to watch the latest case laws. If it is not possible to watch all the case laws, if it is not possible to read all the case laws, at least go through your book and at least see the latest case laws. You try to see the 3 important case laws which are uploaded by Finance Act 2020, which are uploaded by ICI very latest in the month of March, and then at least see the 2024 and 2023 case laws. At least do that much for your exam. That which will be much more than sufficient. And at last, when you are leaving your home, say at 12:30 p.m., you will be leaving your home for your exam center. Put your earphones and then watch our what? Super fast amendment video. I know that that is not uploaded in English, but that is auto dubbed in English. You can watch the auto dubbed video in English. Okay. You can watch that auto dubbed video in English. Try to follow this much. That will be much more than sufficient for you all. Now, at the end, I'll tell you again the priority. The priority has to be your past RTP, MTP, and exam paper. The priority, the first priority, you have to watch the entire 26 paper compilation a day before exam. You have to watch the 35 MCQ case scenario day before exam. These two things are the most important things for your exam. Believe me, if you watch these two things properly, that itself will help you to get an exemption in CA final direct tax paper. Believe me. Because these two things covers almost the entire 100% syllabus that is relevant for your exams. Almost 100% syllabus is covered in these two videos. Rest depends upon you. You have to be self-motivated in life. You need to be motivated. There may be times when you are not motivated. There may be times in the next 48 hours, you will see that you will curse yourself that why I am doing this course, why the hell I am into direct tax, why the hell I am into CA course, I don't want to do this. You have to explain yourself that these are all outside noises. You have to ask yourself that I have to give my best for the next 48 hours, no matter what you have done in the last 6 months, no matter what you have done in the last 1 month. All those things does not count today. What counts today and what counts in the 3-hour paper is only what you're going to do in the next 48 hours. So be very careful that what you do in the next 48 hours. You have to explain yourself. You have to motivate yourself. Comment below and give and write down below that I will give my 200% for the next 48 hours. I will get exemption in direct tax. Comment below. Motivate yourself. You have to motivate. There is no other person that who can motivate you now. There is only one person who can motivate you is you yourself. I am trying my best little bit, but I am not going to succeed in that. Only you can succeed in that. So you have to make sure that you motivate yourself. You be charged up for the next 48 hours. Give your best. Okay. Last but not least, I will also be coming up with one small video for you all in full English. That is how to complete direct tax paper in 3 hours in the exam center. Because majority of the students are not able to complete the direct tax paper. Majority of the students are not writing more than 75 marks in direct tax paper, more than 80 marks. Maximum 80 marks students are writing. They are saying that the paper was very lengthy. We are not able to attempt the paper. I'll tell you how to attempt the paper and how to maximize the attempt in the examination. I'll be uploading that video tomorrow on 7th of May. Okay. Till then, take care all of you. If you have any doubts, you can ask on this number. You can check it over here. This first number 900-900-8977. Don't ask on this number. This is our technical number. This is our doubt asking number. You can WhatsApp on this number to me. I will try to address all your queries which are with respect to direct tax. Okay. Till then, take care all of you. Bye. See you soon with a new video. Take care all of you.